Imagine having a skincare solution that is both affordable and effective right in your kitchen. It has been used for centuries by women in Asia, particularly in Japan, China, and Korea. These women have long been admired for their flawless, youthful skin, and this skin remedy has been a key part of their beauty regimen. Many people use it to get youthful skin because it is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are essential for maintaining healthy skin. The starch in it is particularly beneficial for soothing and healing the skin. It makes the skin to look brighter, healthier, and reduce wrinkles. It helps to reduce dark spots and blemishes, giving you a more even skin tone. The antioxidants present in this also help to fight free radicals, which can cause premature aging. It's a natural way to improve your skin without the need for harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. The amazing at-home elixir is gentle and suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, you can benefit from its hydrating and nourishing properties. It helps to balance the skin's pH levels and promotes a healthy, radiant complexion. It is gentle and will not irritate your skin. In fact, it can help to calm irritated skin and reduce inflammation. It's particularly beneficial for those with acne-prone skin, as it helps to control oil production and prevent breakouts. You can use it every day as part of your skincare routine. Simply apply it to your face with a cotton pad after cleansing and let it absorb into your skin. You can also use it as a toner or a facial mist for a refreshing boost throughout the day. It is also very affordable. You don't need to spend a lot of money on fancy skincare products when you can make your own effective treatment at home, making it a cost-effective solution for beautiful skin. I will be sharing how to make this elixir and use this powerful beauty secret if you are looking for a natural way to improve your skin. It is a simple, effective, and time-tested beauty secret that can help you achieve a youthful glow. Embrace the wisdom of the past and incorporate it into your daily skincare routine for radiant, healthy skin. This elixir has been used in Asia for centuries. This simple yet powerful beauty secret has been passed down through generations, becoming an integral part of traditional skincare routines. The origins of this elixir usage can be traced back to ancient times, when it was discovered that the leftover water from rinsing rice had beneficial properties for the skin and hair. Women in Japan, Korea, and other Asian countries have used it to keep their skin beautiful. They found that it could help to brighten the complexion, reduce inflammation, and even out skin tone. This natural remedy became a staple in their daily beauty rituals, often used alongside other traditional ingredients like green tea and ginseng. They used it as a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. The versatility of this water made it a valuable addition to their skincare arsenal. As a cleanser, it helped to remove impurities and excess oil. As a toner, it tightened the skin and minimized pores. And as a moisturizer, it provided hydration and nourishment, leaving the skin soft and supple. One famous example is the Yao women of Huangluo village in China. These women are renowned for their incredibly long black hair, which they maintain using rice water. The Yao women have a tradition of washing their hair in fermented rice water, which they believe helps to keep their hair strong, healthy, and shiny. They are known for their long black hair. This unique practice has earned them the nickname Rapunzels of the East. The Yao women's hair remains dark and lustrous well into old age, and they attribute this to the regular use of rice water. Their hair care routine has become a subject of fascination and admiration around the world. The Yao women credit their beautiful hair to rinsing it with rice water. They prepare the rice water by fermenting it for a few days, which enhances its nutrient content. This fermented rice water is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an excellent treatment for hair health. The Yao women's practice has inspired many to incorporate rice water into their own hair care routines. Today, rice water is still a popular beauty ingredient in Asia. Modern skincare brands have embraced this ancient secret, incorporating rice water into a variety of products. From cleansers and toners to serums and masks, rice water is celebrated for its ability to enhance skin health and appearance. It is used in many commercial skincare products. These products promise to deliver the same benefits that Asian women have enjoyed for centuries. The popularity of rice water in the beauty industry continues to grow, with new formulations and innovations being introduced regularly. Rice water is now becoming popular in other parts of the world. People from different cultures are discovering the benefits of rice water for themselves, incorporating it into their skincare and hair care routines. People are discovering its amazing benefits for the skin. From improving skin texture and tone to promoting hair growth and strength, rice water has proven to be a versatile and effective beauty treatment. Rice water is full of nutrients. These nutrients are good for your skin. Rice water contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamins help your skin stay healthy. Minerals help your skin cells to function. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage. One important nutrient in rice water is inositol. Inositol helps to promote cell growth. This can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Rice water also contains ferulic acid. Ferulic acid is an antioxidant that can help to protect your skin from sun damage. Section 4. Benefits of rice water for your skin. It can help to reduce wrinkles, fade pigmentation, hydrate skin, tighten pores, and boost collagen. Rice water can make your skin look younger and healthier. It is a natural and effective way to improve your complexion. Section 5. Making rice water at home. Making rice water at home is easy and straightforward. You only need 2 simple ingredients: rice and water. Instructions: first, rinse the rice thoroughly, then add enough water to the rice. Soak the rice for about 30 minutes to an hour. Finally, strain the rice water into a clean container. You can store rice water in the refrigerator for up to a week. Using rice water in your skincare routine. It's known for its soothing and brightening properties, making it a versatile addition to your skincare routine. You can use rice water in many ways. It can be incorporated into your daily regimen in several forms, each offering unique benefits for your skin. You can use it as a toner, which helps to balance the skin's pH levels and tighten pores. This can be particularly beneficial for those with oily or acne-prone skin, face rinse, sheet mask, or spray mist. Each method has its own set of advantages, allowing you to customize your skincare routine based on your needs. To use rice water as a toner, simply apply it to your face with a cotton ball after cleansing. This helps to remove any remaining impurities and prepares your skin for the next steps in your routine. To use it as a face rinse, splash it on your face after cleansing and pat dry. This can help to soothe irritated skin and provide a gentle, natural glow. For a sheet mask, soak a cotton pad in rice water and apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the nutrients to deeply penetrate your skin, offering intense hydration and a brightening effect. You can also put rice water in a spray bottle and mist it on your face throughout the day. This is a great way to refresh your skin and keep it hydrated, especially in dry or air-conditioned environments. Make sure to simply rinse a cup of rice to remove any dirt or impurities before you soak then, and you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to a week. Incorporating rice water into your skincare routine can lead to noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and appearance. Give it a try and experience the benefits of this natural, time-tested remedy. Section 7. Additional tips for using rice water. Rice water can have a distinct smell. The longer you let the rice soak, the more fermented the rice water will become, and the stronger the odor it will have. You can leave the rice soaking for up to an hour or even up to 24 hours. After soaking, strain the rice water into a clean container. You can put the strained rice water in a spray bottle and use it up to 2 times a day. Store the rice water in the refrigerator for up to 7 to 10 days. However, the longer you store it, the stronger the odor will become. Adjust your usage based on your skin's needs and tolerance to the smell. Embrace the power of rice water. Rice water is a natural and effective way to improve your skin. It is gentle, affordable, and easy to use. Please show me some love, share and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.